What's going on with it? So we back in this bitch. We got the SR turned upside down. So we test fitting this Grady pan. So what I did was I put some grease in and around the pickup area and then set it on there flat. So that way I want to check and see what's the clearance between the oil pickup tube, and the bottom of the oil pan. See, so that's one of the things you need to watch out for when you're buying the Freddy. That is Grady with an F. Freddy. When you buy these different Freddy manifolds. Some of them are good, some of them are not so good. That's one of the issues as far as the oil pickup, which you can see this one has the recess circle here, because that's right where the pickup is at. And then also the quality of the casting, because even though this is an authentic Grady SR20 upside down, this is a casting, and man oh man, they was just using any old fucking smelter back in the day. So some of the castings are better than others, shall I say. But nonetheless, it is still cast. And then also too, one of the sticking points with this particular oil pan setup on the SR20 is that if you got a low car and you riding super low down, if you do bang pan, this motherfucker will crack on the first hit. I've seen it, and I've seen engines die from that. So, in all honesty, me, myself, personally, I'm not a huge fan of this. If you definitely want to do the upgrade and you want an oversized pan with trap doors and baffles and things like that, I would recommend an authentic Tomei, because it is stainless steel. So at least if you do have a pan tap, it'll dent rather than crack, leak oil, lose oil pressure, and bearings go bye-bye. So, I mean, this is cool and all, it was a thing back in the day, but I don't know. I'll put a stock pan and a slightly larger oil cooler up front, so there you can gain your capacity by running a big oil cooler, and you getting cooling capacity at the same damn time. So, but anyhow, that's what's up. So we're gonna go ahead and take this thing off, take a look at what kind of mark the pickup left, or what the depth is in the grease, more or less, and then that'll give us a fairly rough indication of what the clearance looks like from the pickup, the bottom of the pickup, to the bottom of the pan. And if it's good, then we cool, and if it's not, then I'm just gonna go ahead and put a stock pan on here, hammer it out, put a bowl in the middle, make it like a bowl, hammer out the middle, so that's low, and that's it. So we almost finished with this bad boy. When we done, I'll flip them back over and turn you back on. I'm out of here. Later.